Today I have for you a walkthrough of the Simon Says Stamp card kit for July 2026 pop art, so stay tuned. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Simon Says Stamp card kit called Pop Art, and that is for July 2026. I do have some add-ons that I'll show at the end, but there are even more add-ons, and you can check those out over at Simon Says Stamp. And if you need any information about the subscription, the cost, things like that, that will be over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And the kit is sold out, but the pieces in the kit are available individually. So I will list those in the description box and over on my blog. All right, let's get started. I pulled everything out just to get a little bit organized. And here we have the kit. First off, we have a coupon. This is $5 off. The code is fresh, and this is good through August 25th, 2026. So be sure to use that if you need to purchase anything. We have our map that gives a lot of great examples of how to use this kit. This is a super, super fun kit, very geometric, very mod, things like that. It looks really super cool. So let's get going. All right, so, and I apologize, I turned the lights down so that it wouldn't be as glary. So hopefully it's still able to be visible. So here is the stamp set. This is the pop art. And this is such an interesting set because you have the circles and the squares, but there are sentiments around the edges, which I just love because then you can stamp onto circles and squares and do all kinds of cool things. So this one is "You are amazing. I love you so much. Happiest of birthdays. You are missed. Happy birthday." And then down here we have, you could put these in the circle. "You are loved. Hello, you're the best friend," literally. "Happy birthday. Thank you. Thinking of you. Miss you." And then there's a bunch of sub-sentiments, and the font on this is really cool. It's kind of like thick, sketchy. So it's pretty cool. And I like the hearts and the kind of circle blob. So then this comes with a die set. This is the pop art pieces. And if you look at this, you get this kind of layered frame effect, and then this one can be the background piece. So you can, once you cut these out, you can layer them on top of the background to make it easier for you. You do not want to cut these apart. You just cut them as is, and then you can mix and match the layers like on here. So you can see that. So you just mix and match them. I love this one with the smiley face. Oh yeah, and let me point that out. There are a bunch of different little smiley faces on there, so that's super cute. So you can cut these out and layer them up, and you get this effect, which is really cool. I don't think I've ever seen a kit like this. So here we have, these are the XL easy strips greetings. These are called Big Bold Headlines, and these are foilable. So you have the black and the white and the reverse. So you can foil these. You can just cut these on your trimmer. And then Simon also has, I'll just show you an example. This is the XL Easy Strips rounded rectangles. They have all different kinds. They have like banner edges, like slanted, they're rectangles. But basically you use one of these dies and you put it on there and it will cut all of them out for you. So that's just an example. You don't need this, but it does make it a little bit easier for you if you just want to do them all at one time. And there's all different kinds of these strips, all different occasions. Then we have a little storage box, and this you just fold it and on all of the score lines, and you basically get to build a little storage box, which is pretty cool. So you just fold these in and then click in the bottom into that, and then you have the lid. All right, let's see what else. So here is an interesting thing. This little pad of a million bajillion colors, and this is included in the kit, and this is 3.875, so 3 7/8 square, and there's 70 pages, and it's kind of textured. So this is perfect to use with this die set, because then you can pick all different colors. And yeah, I don't know if you can see the texture on there. It's textured kind of like that linen canvas kind of paper. And then you can mix and match and do all the cool things with that die set. So that is awesome. And then we have these are craft stock by Tim Holtz. To get a gold one and a black, and these are craft on the back. So if you do, you can just die cut this, but if you do any kind of embossing with an embossing folder, after you emboss it, you can sand off the top, and then the craft color starts coming through, and you can get really cool effects and do all kinds of layering. So there is that. And then as far as cardstock goes, we have 2 sheets of Nina heavyweight. This is very heavyweight. I think it's 110 pound. And then this is the Simon Black, also heavyweight. I think that's the same weight. It's either 100 or 110. We get a little pouch to keep all the goodies in. And then we get, these are the Prism Dazzling Gems. So these are really sparkly, but they're also kind of iridescent. So it'll pick up all different colors. So those are super pretty. All right, let me just show you some of the add-ons I picked up. And again, there's even more than what I had grabbed. So let me show you. So first thing is I have the die set that goes along with the stamp set. And this will cut out pretty much everything in here for the sentiments and the sub-sentiments, and that cuts right next to the words, so that is awesome. And then the hello cuts out the middle, which I love. So we have that. And then we have, this is the paper cut word mix 1, and you get a shadow layer and the sentiment. So we have hello, thanks, and love you, and it's that same font, so everything is very coordinated. This is a great size too, be nice for your card fronts. And then I have the stamp and die set. These are the paper cut messages, and these cut all the insides out, which is awesome. So we have thank you, love you, miss you, hey there, happy birthday, and hugs. Again, that same font. And then a coordinating embossing folder is this Bedazzled. That is so pretty. I just kind of love that tile effect with like, it's like a starburst kind of look. So those are some of the coordinating ones. There is also like another die set that makes quartered of these squares and circles, and there's also a bigger square set, and I can link those over as well so you can check them out. If you like unboxing videos, I have for you my Simon Says Stamp unboxing playlist, and my recent additions over there are the Gina K Designs class kit, and I also have the Kathy Zielski class kit, over there, so you can check that out, as well as the other monthly releases from Simon Says Stamp. And I will also put over there a video I know you will love. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.